Okay, Karthik, come here. Your first GK question is, which cat does not have spots?
My answer is lion.
Yes, lion does not have spots. And second question is for you, the capital of India?
My answer is New Delhi.
Okay, very good. Go back. Now, Hitiksha, today first question is for you. Which bird is known for its ability to mimic?
Parrot.
Yes, very good. Which country is the largest producer of coffee?
My answer is Brazil.
Now, Abbas, come here. Abbas, tell me, on which continent bees are not found?
My answer is Antarctica.
Yes, on Antarctica, bees are not found. Second question is for you. Which is the largest river in the world?
Nile River.
Okay, go. Now, Gunjan. Gunjan, you will tell me how tall is the India Gate?
42 meters.
Okay. Or second question is, how big is the Narendra Modi Stadium?
63 acres.
Okay, very good. Narendra Modi Stadium is spread in 63 acres. Go. Now, Dishant. Which state is known as the tea garden of India?
My answer is Assam.
Very good. Assam is also known as the tea garden of India. Name the hardest natural substance on earth.
My answer is diamond.
Okay, very good. Diamond is the hardest natural substance on the earth. Now, Raghav. Raghav, you will tell me this great biologist invented the crystallograph.
My answer is J.C. Bose.
Yes, Jagdish Chandra Bose. And second question is, he was the father of India's missile technology.
My answer is APJ Abdul Kalam.
And the full name of APJ Abdul Kalam is Abul Pakir Jainul Abidin Abdul Kalam. Okay, go. Now, Madhav. Madhav, you will tell me which country launched Chandrayaan spacecraft?
My answer is India.
Very good. Second question is, how much time does the sun rays take to reach the earth?
My answer is 8 minutes.
Very good. Go. Now, Nitika, please come. Which country is known as the Red Dragon?
My answer is China.
Very good. Which is the hottest continent in the world?
My answer is Africa.
Very good. Now, Ansh, come. Ansh, you will tell me where is the Chinar Wildlife Sanctuary situated?
My answer is Kerala.
Is Kerala. Okay. Second question is for you. Who was the first president of India?
My answer is Dr. Rajendra Prasad.
Okay, very good. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of India. Now, Pradyuman, come here. Pradyuman, come here. You will tell me a person who stitches or repair our clothes, what we call him?
My answer is tailor.
Okay. Second one is a maker and dealer of gold articles.
My answer is goldsmith.
Very good. Aditi, come here, bete. Your GK question is for today. National animal of Sri Lanka. Very good. And second question is, which is the largest body organ? Very good. Next, Aradhya. Bete, you will tell me which player has the most run in IPL? Very good. And second question is, most stumping by wicket keeper? Very good. MS Dhoni. Now, Vedita. Bete, your question is, which gas do plants observe from the atmosphere?
My answer is carbon dioxide.
Very good. Plant observe the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Who is the father of our nation?
My answer is Mahatma Gandhi.
Very good. Mahatma Gandhi is also known as the father of nation. Now, Raghu. Raghu, you will tell me how many teeth mosquito have?
My answer is 47.
Very good. And next question is, which country has no agriculture?
My answer is Singapore.
Very good. Singapore is the correct answer. Go. Ayush. Ayush, your question is, who was the first woman ruler of India?
My answer is Razia Sultan.
Very good. Razia Sultan is the correct answer. And second question is for you. In which year Vasco da Gama came to India?
My answer is 20 May 1498.
Very good. 20 May 1498 is the correct answer. Now, Ajjad. Ajjad, you will tell me which animal has 3 hearts?
My answer is octopus.
Very good. And second question is, which bird has the longest eyesight?
My answer is eagle.
Very good. Bhavyanshu, you will tell me who is known as the father of computer?
Charles Babbage.
Which is the biggest city in India?
Mumbai.
Very good. Now Aradhya, come here bete. Aradhya, you will tell me, we get solar energy from?
My answer is sun.
Very good. Longest desert in the world?
My answer is Sahara Desert.
Very good. Aradhya, please come.
Yes.
Bete, your first GK question is, how many hours there in a day?
Sir, my answer is 24 hours.
Okay. Now tell me, what is the capital of Ladakh?
Sir, my answer is Leh.
Very good. Oh, lovely. Lovely, tell me, first Indian man in space.
My answer is Rakesh Sharma.
Very good. Now tell me, India's first woman IPS officer.
My answer is Kiran Bedi.
Very good. Now Kashish. Kashish, tell me, he has given the title of Sher-e Punjab.
My answer is Lala Rajpat Rai.
Very good. Now tell me, India's first woman PM.
My answer is Indira Gandhi.
Very good. Simran, tell me, who is called Gurudev?
My answer is Rabindranath Tagore.
Very good. Rabindranath Tagore is also known as Gurudev. Now tell me, who is called Bapu?
My answer is Mahatma Gandhi.
Go. Kaka. Kaka, tell me, which country launched Chandrayaan spacecraft?
My answer is India.
Very good. Go. Now Lakshit. Lakshit, national game of Bangladesh.
My answer is Kabaddi.
Now next question is for you. He strengthened the Azad Hind Fauj to wage war against the British.
My answer is Subhash Chandra Bose.
Yes. Subhash Chandra Bose was one of the greatest leader in India who found the Azad Hind Fauj. Go. Divya. Divya, buddy, tell me, which animal gives pink milk?
My answer is hippos.
Yes, hippopotamus gives the pink milk. Go. Rishabh. Rishabh, you will tell me first PM of India.
My answer is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru.
Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first PM of India. Now tell me first Indian woman to become Miss Universe.
My answer is Susmita Sen.
Very good. Susmita Sen became the first Miss Universe. Now Humaira. Humaira, please you tell me smallest state in India.
My answer is Goa.
Yes, Goa is the smallest state in India. And next question is, so Humaira, tell me which is the largest state in India according to area.
My answer is Rajasthan.
Very good. Rajasthan is the largest state in India according to area. Now Piyush. Piyush, you will tell me capital of Gujarat.
My answer is Gandhinagar.
Very good. Next question is, what is the color of sunlight?
My answer is white.
Okay, go. Arushi bete, you will tell me what is the SI unit of force?
My answer is Newton.
Very good. Newton is the SI unit of force. Now tell me how tall is India Gate?
My answer is 42 meters.
Okay. Now once come. Once bete, you will tell me the study of matter.
Chemistry.
Now tell me what is the capital of Russia?
Moscow.
Okay, go. Divakar, come here. Today your GK question is, when is India Navy Day celebrated every year?
My answer is 4 December.
Very good. Next question is for you. In which year GST was launched in India?
My answer is 2017.
Very good. Go. Now Dipanshu. What is the official language of India?
My answer is Hindi.
Okay, Hindi. Next question is, what is the language of Jammu?
My answer is Dogri.
Very good. Dogri is the language of Jammu and Kashmir. Go. Harshita. Today, you will tell me, Yoga Day celebrated on which date?
My answer is 21 June.
Very good. Next question is, which planet is the nearest to Earth?
My answer is Venus.
Very good. Go. Yug. Which country is known as the Red Dragon?
My answer is China.
Okay. Next question. What is the old name of Mumbai?
My answer is Bombay.
Very good. Bombay is the old name of Mumbai. Go. Shiva, come here. Which country has the most number of universities?
My answer is India.
Okay. When do we celebrate Hindi Divas?
My answer is 14 September.
Very good. 14 September is we celebrate Hindi Divas. Now Aryan. Come here. Name the currency used in Singapore.
My answer is Singapore dollar.
Very good. Name the currency used in India.
My answer is rupee.
Okay, very good. Okay, Aksh, come here. Which bowler has taken the most wicket in a single test match?
My answer is Jim Laker.
Okay, very good. Next question is for you. What is the nickname of Australian national cricket team?
My answer is Baggy Greens.
Okay, very good. Baggy Greens is the nickname of Australian national cricket team. Now, Lucky, you will tell me which country UNO has agreement of oil with food.
My answer is Iraq.
Very good. National Highway number 2 connect with which cities?
Delhi and Kolkata.
Very good. Tarun, fastest century in IPL made by which batsman?
My answer is Chris Gale.
Okay, very good. Now Shagun, who is the first citizen of India?
My answer is President.
Yes, President is also known as the first citizen of India. Next question, which place in Bihar is related to birth of Sher Shah Suri?
My answer is Sasaram.
Very good. Sasaram is related to the Sher Shah Suri. Go. Ansh, your question is which country is known as the land of the rising sun?
Japan. My answer is Japan.
Now tell me what is the name of the American Space Agency?
My answer is NASA.
Very good. Now Divyansh, your question is what is the name of the Indian Space Organization?
My answer is ISRO.
Which Indian state is recently dissolved 3 division?
My answer is Rajasthan.
Okay, very good. Now Abhi, you will tell me which country has the highest life expectancy?
My answer is Hong Kong.
Very good. Next question for you. How many gold medals did India win in the Tokyo Olympic 2020?
My answer is 1.
Very good. Now Lavisha, please tell me who was the founder of Brahma Samaj?
My answer is Raja Ram Mohan Roy.
Yes, Raja Ram Mohan Roy was the founder of Brahma Samaj. Next question is for you. The fear of which animal is known as the acrophobia?
My answer is spiders.
Yes, the fear of spider is called acrophobia. Go. Shivi, you will tell me which country has the strongest army in the world?
My answer is USA.
Yes, USA has the strongest army in the world. Next question is which vitamin is not found in fruits and vegetables?
My answer is vitamin D.
Yes, vitamin D. Damini, you will tell me how many continents are there in the world?
My answer is 7.
Very good, 7 continents. Next question is what is the currency of Japan?
My answer is yen.
Yes, the currency of Japan is yen. Now Manvi, you will tell me largest island in the world.
My answer is Greenland.
Yes, Greenland is the largest island in the world. Now name the bird which cannot fly.
My answer is ostrich.
Yes, ostrich is a bird but it cannot fly. Go. Ishika, please tell me what is the best source of protein?
My answer is soybean.
Yes, soybean, Nutella. Second question is what is the chemical formula of sodium hydroxide?
My answer is NaOH.
Very good. Now Kanika, please tell me which planet is known as the evening star?
My answer is Venus.
Yes, Venus is also known as the evening star. Next question is when was Bharat Ratna started?
My answer is 1954.
Very good. Now Priya, you will tell me largest unit to measure the distance in space.
My answer is light year.
Yes, light year is the largest unit to measure the distance in space. Second question is scientific study of climate.
My answer is meteorology.
Very good. Now Gaurav, please come. Gaurav, you will tell me who was the first Indian to become the Governor General of Independent India?
My answer is C. Rajagopalachari.
Yes. C. Rajagopalachari was the first Governor General of Independent India. Second question is for you. What is the SI unit of electric current?
My answer is ampere.
Yes, ampere is the SI unit of electric current.